अगर आप इसके बारे में ना बहुत ध्यान से सोचें, जो कैमरा ऑन आवर फोन्स है ना, ये काफी यूनिक सिचुएशन बनी जा रही है। दिस इज इजीली वन ऑफ द मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट बाइंग क्राइटेरिया। आजकल आप सोचिए, कौन फोन खरीदता है ये बोलता है अरे कैमरा बेकार है, कोई बात नहीं यार चलेगा। कैमरा फोन्स आर नाउ सीइंग द मैक्सिमम अमाउंट ऑफ इनोवेशन एंड ग्रोथ इन अ फोन। आप ये सोचिए, कैमरा फोन, आपका जो कैमरा फोन था 5 साल पहले, व्हाट वाज इट? यू विल बी शॉक्ड दैट वी वर एक्चुअली हैप्पी यूजिंग दैट। और देखिए आज आपके पास क्या है। But you know the really cool part, स्मार्टफोन के जो कैमरा है, they can actually keep getting infinitely better and better. कोई upper limit नहीं है, इसमें बहुत innovation आ सकती है। Manufacturers there, they keep innovating in this field. Can you imagine हमारे कैमरा फोन्स आज से 5 साल बाद कहाँ पे होंगे? ऐसे ब्रांड्स हैं that are really pushing the limit with every single release, जो अपना नया फोन निकालते हैं। और वीवो जो है is one of those manufacturers and brands. In fact, Vivo जो है, it has many world firsts also to their many landmarks, many world firsts, जैसे pop-up selfie camera, gimbal inside a smartphone, काफी कुछ उन्होंने और किया है। They do a good job with their camera phones. पर अब Vivo ने एक नई चीज शुरू की है। They've started to make sure कि जो उनके phones हैं उसमें जो कैमरा है ना, is the camera centric phone, यानी कि showcase of their innovation is mainly in their camera. It's like a whole show and tell, जैसे हम लोग स्कूल में करते थे। अब देखिए, this is the review box that they sent to me for the Vivo X60 Pro. बहुत ही यूनिक है, let me take you through. There's a lot of flair in it. So देखिए उन्होंने क्या किया, they've sent this box. This is of course not the box that you're going to be buying. वो भी बहुत ही interesting box है, but just see this. So you basically open this out. थोड़ा carefully करना पड़ेगा मेरे को. And it just kind of opens up beautifully. मतलब almost like, you know, flowers, the petals actually go to one side and bang, the phone is there. इन्होंने लिखा है co-engineered imaging system है इसमें, extreme night vision 2.0, performance because of the processor and everything else, gimbal stabilization 2.0. तो जो main points हैं, they are all here. We'll talk about all of that, but then this here is the phone. देखिए, even this way that they've actually done it, photography redefined, and the box, it shows कि जो brand है वो काफी detail में जा रहा है to get their phone out there. Brand is really thinking things out. But like I said, here is the phone. But याद रखिए, this is not the only one. मेरे पास जो है X60 Pro है, Vivo का X60, but it's not alone in the series. There's X60 also, and then there's X60 Pro Plus जो मेरे पास बहुत जल्दी आ जाएगा. All three phones very good looking, all three rocking new color schemes, new materials. तीनों phones 5G capable हैं, so they are ready for the future. And I'd say most importantly जो है ना, all three have this on the back, a Vivo and Zeiss का co-created camera setup. I'm going to stop right there. देखिए, अब्बास मस्तान जैसी मूवीज बनाते हैं ना, मैं थोड़ा सा जो critical suspense और action है ना about the camera, उसको जरा साइड पे करता हूँ, and I'll start by properly introducing the characters. वो बहुत जरूरी है ना. Okay. अब there is quite a bit of difference between the three phones in this series, लेकिन I'm not going to get into that. मैं आपको quickly slides दिखा रहा हूँ अभी about the difference. You can pause if you really want to read that detail. But really the sweet spot in this X60 series is this, the Pro. बहुत अच्छी हैंड फील है इसकी, लार्ज स्क्रीन 6.56 इंचेस, लेकिन अगेन इन द हैंड फील इज गुड. इट्स नॉट अ वेरी बिग फोन. इट डज हैव सॉलिड प्रेजेंस. बैक में उन्होंने डाला है Corning Gorilla Glass 6. फ्रंट में उन्होंने दी है प्रोटेक्शन बाय Scott Sensation Up. FHD प्लस स्क्रीन है, AMOLED स्क्रीन है, कम्स विद 120 हर्ट्ज रिफ्रेश रेट विच इज ग्रेट. 3D फ्लेक्सिबल स्क्रीन, यानी कि कैस्केडिंग एजेस हैं एंड कॉर्नर्स हैं. स्क्रीन इज रियली रियली नाइस. सनलाइट लेजिबिलिटी बहुत अच्छी है, धूप में बहुत अच्छा चलता है. नो कलर शिफ्ट ऑन द साइड विच इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट नाउ फॉर फोन्स. और दिस फोन रन्स ऑन Snapdragon 870. 12 GB of LPDDR4X RAM है, एंड इनबिल्ट 256 GB storage. ये जो combination है does many things very well. One, phone जो है is really whizzes, quick, light, fast, fun touch OS जो है, runs a pretty tight ship. Games felt good and everything else is just zippy. And now to number two, it really takes camera performance to the next level. देखिए, Vivo has been doing great smartphones for a very long time, मैंने आपको शुरू में बताया. But this guy on the back, जो branding उन्होंने दी है, this guy is nearly 175 years old. I mean, Zeiss के जो lenses हैं, they went to the moon. They gave us that famous blue marble image, iconic. And they have now co-engineered this camera system along with Vivo. Zeiss के जो lenses हैं, they are known to be tack sharp, they are classic, they are legacy. एक stunningly important requirement है for photography is the quality of the lens. मैंने कई videos में आपसे ये बात की है. The quality of glass is strictly monitored at Zeiss. And if you notice, जो मैं आपको कुछ samples दिखा रहा हूँ very quickly, notice these very closely. जो center of the image is very sharp. Camera phones में ये बहुत problem होती है, they can't do it. And remember, they were taken on autofocus by the way. मैंने कुछ fiddling नहीं किया. 3 camera है on the back, and thankfully these are the cameras that actually matter. I keep saying macro camera का क्या फायदा है. Okay, so there is normal. There is super wide angle that works very well. And there is telephoto that also works very well. Like I said, no silly macro lens. ये जो phone है, it even has the Zeiss Biotar portrait style. Biotar जो है is a very classic lens series by Zeiss. In fact, it is one of those very costly vintage lenses collection that a lot of people, लोग बहुत ढूंढते हैं उनको. आप Google करके देखिए, you will be shocked how in demand and famous it is. और वो, or at least a version of that डल गया है इसमें. That central sharpness and that very creamy rotational bokeh that you see in these samples जो मैं आपको दिखा रहा हूँ. This is Vivo replicating the old Biotar characteristics through hardware plus software, algorithm, AI all coming into play. और ये जो है it's supported by an updated Gimbal 2.0 camera system. जी हाँ, the next generation of the gimbal जो हम लोग सब बहुत impressed थे, that has been put in. 5-axis video stabilization है, and imagine on a phone without any external accessories. Look, this is when I say, this is where camera phone photography is going insane. How small can things get to put such big features? इसमें जो है pixel shift imaging भी है, so the RGB composite in each pixel is far more accurate. This really helps in bringing out जो detail है, better color है, real color. And the small aperture जो है this camera actually has, it holds its ground very well. Low light photography, fantastic. जो एक्सट्रीम नाइट विजन 2 है, थोड़ी सी आपको प्रैक्टिस करनी पड़ेगी, but it's so worth it. The results are literally out of this world. It's also one of the slimmest 5G phones out right now. And जी हाँ, even though it's very slim, it shoots absolutely incredible videos, which is very important. In fact, the video is so good, you can actually take a look at this as the only camera from any video and content enthusiast. I mean, आप इस पे video shoot करिए, use something like a VN editor to actually edit. And I don't think you need a dedicated DSLR and editing system. सारा कुछ यहीं पे हो जाएगा. Now look, this was like I said, a very quick look at the new Vivo X60 Pro. मेरे पास बहुत कम टाइम के लिए था, so I thought I'll quickly bring it to you. Again, I'm going to do a lot more with this. I'm going to check on this. I'm going to try out everything on this. Frankly, you know what I really want to do is a comparison between this phone, the Vivo X60 Pro, and the iPhone 12 Pro Max and the Google Pixel phones. Yes, I think इसमें जो camera and video on this new Vivo phone X60 Pro is that good कि उनके साथ compare किया जाए. It could be a contender for camera phone of the year, but like I said, I'm still going to try it out. And remember, I haven't even tried it. मैंने देखा तक नहीं है X60 Pro Plus, so that could be a whole different deal. अच्छा, अब आप लोग बताइए, which camera phone do you want me to actually try out and compare and do a shootout against this new Vivo X60 Pro? देखिए, I am happy to compare this to literally any camera phone in the world right now. बस मुझे बताइए, and it's actually going to happen. It could be quite a shootout.